Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a simple recipe for fruit salad. Let's start with the ingredients. Several different colored types of fruits, bowl and knife. Now start to dice all the fruits into small pieces. This is an apple. This is a banana. This is an orange. This is a strawberry. This is a bunch of grapes. This is a pear. This is a peach. This is a mango. This is a pineapple. This is a guava. This is a watermelon. This is a kiwi. Finally, put the chopped fruit into your empty bowl and enjoy it. Yay! Yummy! See you later.